Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is San. I am a designer. I do sewing tutorials here in my channel, fashion illustration, and a little bit of travel vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on a new video. In today's video, I'll be discussing about elastic. So kung paano tayo maglagay ng elastic sa ating garments, and I'll be discussing three ways or three techniques on how to put elastic on your garments. Now, first technique is encased elastic. Number 2 is zigzag, or using a zigzag stitch. Number 3 is using your overlap or serger machine. So let's get started. So the first technique is encased elastic. So nag-iwan lang ako ng small opening sa casing. So, workable sewing machine. In this tutorial, I already secured the edge of the elastic by tap stitching it down with a square and X stitch inside, or just simply do a zigzag stitch. Mark the half points and quarter points of the fabric and the elastic, then line the elastic up along the wrong side of the fabric, matching up the center front of the fabric with center front marking of the elastic, and the center back marking of the elastic with the center back of the fabric. Next step is to stitch the elastic to the fabric with a zigzag stitch. I am using my Juki portable sewing machine here. As you do the zigzag stitch, stretch the elastic to match the length of the fabric. Elastic works well in waistlines and waistbands, sa cuffs and sa necklines, and in stretch apparel like swimwear and lingerie. Pwede tayong mag-add ng elastic to garments to fit narrow parts of the body while still allowing the garment to stretch to its full width. hope you like, subscribe, and share my channel with all of your friends. And I'll see you next time. Bye!